Good morning, friends. Today we are going to show you one search engine that pays cryptocurrency for searching. Well, here you can see freesearch.org. The name is freesearch.org, and you can see that earn crypto rewards, make pre-search your search engine and earn PRE token when you search. And there is one extension, you can add this as your Chrome extension as well. You can see that I have collected 60.25 PRE. This is rewards token, eligible token, and referral program. All the things I have collected for many years ago. Recently I have stopped, but now I am starting once again. Well, suppose today what is PRE token? We will search PRE token. Look, what you saw, that I had 60.25 PRE. Well, now I got 60.50 PRE. Once again I am showing you that price of PRE token. I am searching price of PRE token. Now you check. Price of PRE token, you can see it here, and it has been increased to 60.50. okay, now I will search in, suppose I am searching for crypto. Now where I will search coin market cap. Done. Look, you can see that after the next search I got another 0.25 PRE. So now my account is 60.75 PRE. So you can earn 0.25 PRE token after every searching. Okay, the point is that there is another feature what I am going to say you right now. You can collect your PRE token, that is just by searching. Now you can get keyword staking rewards. What is that? I am clicking on that and showing it to you. This is token staked. Suppose I wish to stake 10 tokens, suppose available for stake. Sorry, this is the transfer of PRE from main account. I can transfer PRE to this account like that. From blockchain, from rewards, from CrowdSell account, choose your method. From blockchain, transfer method, we can get it by buying also. Actually I have to make the account, means my account is not fully created, so my profile is not fully created, so that's why I am not going to get this opportunity right now. If I had this, then I transfer method, then I guess I would have been allowed to make it transfer, but still I am a reward account. Oh, I have it in my reward account. You must have at least 1000 in rewards to withdraw at PRE level 9. I have PRE level 9, so I must have this 1000 tokens for this to withdraw. Before withdrawing, I have to have 1000 PRE token in my rewards wallet, but I don't have that much. I have only 60 PRE token right now, so I have to increase it. Then I will be eligible to withdraw to the stake account. Before that, what we can do, we can buy and store it in our staking account. Well, I'm going to show you what is the stake thing is. This is the keyword staking. Suppose you are saying that XRP price, XRP price maximum stake, this much amount maximum stake you can do, and two people has staked it. So the staking means, while you will take any, suppose you are taking stake this, suppose stake this, that means while you will put 1000 amount of staking, you can put any amount here. You can write any amount. While you will have some amount in your staking amount, you can put any amount on this staking. So suppose you are putting 10 free in your staking amount, and on that, in this keyword you are putting 10 PRE. You can write add headline. That means staking means while you will stake any amount, your ad will be shown while people will search on that search that keyword. So every time people will search the keyword, your ad will be shown and you will get that reward. That is something like showing your advertise and getting reward out of it. This is the simple concept of it. So you can try it, and if you are not interested in staking right now, you can simply go and start searching the keywords. Anything you can start searching, any keyword you can search. Any keyword you can search, and you can earn money. Earn by searching. I had 60.75, right? So let's see how much. Oh, I changed my method. Wait, I am going to show you. That is one point I have to. I'm writing earn cryptocurrency. Yeah, now you can see that 61.25, and the previous one also been added to my account. I have recently searched twice, so I got 0.25 for two times. Now it is 61.25. And the thing is that you have to just get it in your mind that you will search. If you click on Google, you will also get money, but the thing is that if you click on Google every time you will not be get credited. So keep that in mind, that you have to search in any mode apart from Google every time. Sometimes you will be credited for that too. So the simple point is that if you search on pre-search, you can get money as in the forms of pre-token as cryptocurrency, and for that you can add this into your Chrome extension, and every day you can use it. You can earn your free money, so you can start today. Okay, if there is any referral program, I'll give you that link, and you will also share your referral link to your friends as well. Actually it had referral program earlier when I started it, but recently I am not aware about that referral program is going on or not, but I am checking it. If there is any referral link, I will show you. I'll send it in my description box, or maybe in comment section. You just check it and let me know how you are liking my video, and if there is any problem you are facing, or if there is any questions you are having in your mind, so please share it to me, and reach out to me anytime through YouTube channel, or maybe I have that Facebook page, that is Lubdhok Tech. You may go and like it and share your views there. It would be very much appreciable that if you support me to grow this channel. Please do support and be with me. Bye bye. Take care.